Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our fuel cap. To do that, we're going to go ahead and follow it all the way up to the door. Let's use a trim tool and we're going to carefully separate this. After that, go ahead and turn this counterclockwise. Remove it from the vehicle. Let's get ready to install our brand new fuel cap. Just going to take this, we'll turn it clockwise until you hear a click. After that, we can take this and we're going to put it into its mounting position on the door. Go ahead and close your lid. Take it for a road test. Make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.